Hi, my name's Dawn Kelly. I've been a health visitor for 10 years. I've actually worked in the health profession with children and babies for over 20 years. And I've got 3 children of my own. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to cope with a colicky baby. Now, babies with colic are notoriously difficult to settle. They cry inconsolably, and it's very distressing as a parent to sit there with a baby crying and crying and crying, and you just don't know what to do. But there are a few little things that are quite easy to do that might help your baby. Might not always work, but it's always worth giving them a shot. So one of the things you can do is swaddle your baby. So using quite a thin blanket, you would wrap it around quite tightly, and that sometimes helps them when they're nice and tight. You could also lift your baby up onto your shoulder and soothe your baby up on your shoulder, or walk around the room with the baby like that. There's also another position called sleeping lion, and you lie the baby across your arm and slightly elevated head like this, so that your forearm is resting all along their gut, and that can help as well relieve some of the symptoms. Some parents really like to massage their baby's tummy. As long as you do it in a clockwise direction, that's absolutely fine. Some babies hate to be touched, and if your baby does and kicks and fusses, just leave it alone, it doesn't matter. Some babies also like to go for a walk in the buggy, that can help. Also, if you're getting a bit stressed by all this crying, which you're likely to do, put them in a buggy and going for a walk yourself is really, really good, just to get out of the house sometimes. The winding techniques as well, the winding technique where you hit them gently on the back with their chin elevated is another good one. And also what we call the Chinese roll, just rolling the baby around like that, can also help with trapped wind. Some babies really like white noise, so from the television or from a vacuum cleaner. Also, certain music can be quite soothing, especially some of the classical musics. Anything really that you find can help you as well as your baby is really useful. Sometimes you can try all these methods and nothing really works. So sometimes you think, well, you know, I'm just going to have to sit there for an hour and a half, 2 hours while my baby cries, and just be there for them, and just sit there and have a coffee, have a magazine. And if you've got that in your head, sometimes that really helps. You know you're not doing anything wrong, and sometimes no matter what you do, they are inconsolable. That is the symptom of colic. You might try everything you can, but you're not going to soothe them. So just being there for them sometimes can really help. If these don't work, or you want to try something different, then go to your pharmacist where products are available, such as Colief infant drops. For more information about Colief, please see my video, What is Colief?